It begins with a whisper, a slow dimming of the sun. Not an explosion, just a fading, a cooling, a loss of warmth so gradual that no one notices until it's too late. The skies lose their color. Rain turns to snow. Oceans begin to harden, not just at the surface, but to their depths. And soon, the world goes still. Earth has become an ice planet. But this isn't a snowstorm or another ice age. This is total planetary glaciation, a transformation so extreme, so absolute that even time itself seems to freeze. The ocean's gone, not in the way we fear from rising sea levels or evaporation. Gone, because they're now locked in ice, not meters thick miles. Beneath the surface, the ocean becomes a cryogenic tomb, trapped in silence, motionless, lifeless. The continents, invisible, beneath layers of snow and ice that never melt. Mountains flattened under centuries of frozen pressure. Valleys erased. The map of Earth buried. Temperatures plunge. 50 Krum becomes a warm day. The air is dry, thin. Winds shriek across glaciers at 300 kilometers per hour, carving ridges into endless white. Storms don't bring snow. They bring ice knives. Life fights back, but it's losing. Photosynthesis is impossible. There's no sunlight to drive it. No liquid water. Plants die. Forests freeze where they stand. Animals, those that don't flee underground, perish in waves. Even microbes struggle, but some endure. Deep beneath the ice, around geothermal vents, in thermal springs, under volcanic domes, pockets of heat remain. Isolated ecosystems, living fossils, the last embers of biology. Humans, they do what we always do, adapt or vanish. Cities are abandoned. Skyscrapers crack from the cold, then disappear beneath the snow. Highways vanish. Satellites fail. Solar panels useless without light. But deep beneath the surface, bunkers glow with artificial heat. The last survivors build underground civilizations, heated by nuclear reactors and volcanic vents. Tunnels span old tectonic ridges. Farms glow under LED suns. Time is marked by clocks, not stars. Society shrinks. Technology regresses, then mutates. The internet is gone. Global communication, dead. Now communities live in silence, trading not across oceans but through subsurface pipelines and iceworm tunnels. A new world, cold and claustrophobic. The sky never clears. The atmosphere denser now, frozen at the edges, circulates slowly. Clouds hang low and permanent, like bruises across the heavens. The moon is hidden. The stars blotted out. Generations grow up, never seeing a sunrise. The concept of day and night becomes legend. Children ask what the sun was. Some believe it was a myth. Others, a god that turned its back. Religion is reborn underground. Faiths fracture and evolve. Some preach survival. Others worship the ice, believing it purged a sinful earth. Still others whisper of reigniting the sky. And then, the impossible begins. Some scientists find a way. Satellites powered by nuclear fusion launch from heated shafts. A new space program, painfully slow, but determined, begins searching the solar system for help. Could we build a mirror in orbit? Reignite the atmosphere with focused sunlight? Could we restart Earth's climate from space? Maybe, but the question remains, should we? For some, the ice is horror. For others it's peace. A frozen, quiet planet where life no longer rushes, consumes, destroys. And as centuries pass, Earth becomes something else entirely. Not a graveyard, not a wasteland, but a frozen ark, holding secrets, fossils, memories, waiting, because one day, the sun might return, or we might master fusion, or visitors from distant stars may find our frozen world and ask, what happened here? And if they dig deep enough, beneath the oceans of ice, beneath the frozen ruins of cities and forests and dreams, they might find a library, a voice, a record of who we were. Because if Earth ever became a giant ice planet, we would not go quietly. We would burn bright, one last time beneath the frost.